A unique collectible for gearheads who desire substance over performance. This 1953 Willys combines go-anywhere spirit with all-American valor. Looking for a sentimental ride that'll fascinate and delight? Here's a robust roller for every general purpose. Officially the first appearance of the round fender Jeep, the M38A1 was quite different than its civilian CJ5 counterpart. In addition to standard military treatments like a 24-volt electrical system and generalized GI instrumentation, the truck featured a stronger chassis that made excellent use of reversed front spring shackles. Willys' dedication to tough engineering certainly paid dividends, as the Ute saw military duty for well over 2 decades. When you're talking about trucks from the World War II era, you are essentially talking about combining the best elements of battle and utility. Between the deleted doors, there's enough room for up to 4 troops on simple cloth seats. An olive drab dash hangs vivid gauges in front of fresh wiring. There's an antique ammo box that nicely complements the truck's big gun. And the driver rules the road through 3 shifters and a simple steering wheel. Hoist the hood and you'll find 134 cubic inches of proven Willys Hurricane. Power flows through a tough Borg-Warner 3-speed, which spins the front and rear axles. Mixing unique character with all-American swagger, this Willys is one super cool classic. And when it comes to the driving experience, it's about as much fun as you can have on 4 wheels. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.